This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa flour roti. First, combine 1 cup of quinoa flour with 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a mixing bowl. Gradually add 1/2 cup of warm water, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and pliable. This initial step is crucial for achieving the right texture for your rotis. Once your dough is ready, divide it into 6 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it into a smooth ball. On a lightly floured surface, roll out each ball into a thin, 4-inch diameter circle. Ensure the edges are even and the thickness is consistent for best results. A little extra quinoa flour on your rolling pin helps prevent sticking. Now, it's time to cook your rotis. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium-high heat until it's hot. Place 1 rolled roti onto the hot griddle. Cook for about 30 seconds on one side, then flip it over. Cook the second side for another 30 seconds, gently pressing with a clean cloth or spatula to help it puff up. Continue cooking each roti until both sides have developed light brown spots and it's fully cooked through. Remove from the griddle and stack them in a clean cloth to keep them warm and soft. Serve your delicious, fresh quinoa roti warm with your favorite curry, dal, or any side dish you prefer. They are incredibly versatile and a healthy addition to any meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.